In no time flat, we're going to learn to install and set up Visual Studio Code, fully prepped for any coding project you want. Let's get started. We're going to head over to the VS Code website first. First option, we're going to download it to whatever system that you're using. It's going to populate, and you're just going to save it over in your File Explorer. Double click, just accept the agreement, next. Make sure the first button is created, and then just install it through. And once you hit finish, it'll launch your VS Code. We're going to go to extensions, and we're going to type in live server, which allows you essentially to open your code in a live web browser to view your HTML page in real time. Then we're going to go to JavaScript ES6, which will allow you to use shorthand code for snippets for more efficient and faster JavaScript code. I'm just going to install that. Then we're going to go over to Bootstrap 4, which will allow you to use shorthand code snippets for more efficient and faster HTML code shipping. And I'll show you that soon. So let's go ahead and open up a folder. We're just going to name it Web Page, in which we are going to create the HTML, the CSS, the styles, and the logic or the JavaScript. And then that shorthand will be shift exclamation point, which will give you this template. We're just going to name it Coding Treehouse. We're going to establish an H1 element of we set up VS Code. Now on the bottom right hand side of your screen, you're going to see that Go Live button. If you like this video, found it informative, consider subscribing.